Desperta Ferro Wrestling Club, a non-profit organization that honors the memorable war cry Desperta Ferres, which the Almogávares cried out before going into battle, in order to spread fear to the enemies and invoke the presence of iron in the battle. From the need for a group of 10 national and international wrestlers that make up their residence in Barcelona, to create synergies beyond the borders and to be able to train properly in the city, creating a school that is governed by professionalization, perseverance, and effort. The priority during this uncertain period of COVID-19 has been to prepare the fighters, creating a school of continuous training and improvement, where classes are given by two great fighters, Morillas and Bad Boy. Thanks to highly experienced coaches and a coherent social project, we are heading towards a path of recognition as a discipline. This will allow us to create shows of high national and international excellence and recognize the role of Catalan wrestlers and coaches. And this is how the fighters, turned into our heroes, meet a new battleground, where to mix the American wrestling culture with the Catalan culture. We require better facilities to make our cry roar from the Catalan lands.